for change. Teared up when he said who's to blame. It's all love till I need someone to carry the shame. Mine's pushed only love for enough to keep.
We simply have to focus on this man. In imperious form and the leading marksman in the league. Can he add to his total today on EA TV? Well, nights like these are just what you hope for as a spectator. A warm welcome. My name is Derek Ray, and joining me in the commentary position is the former Arsenal and England fullback, Lee Dixon. And what we have to bring you today is live coverage from the Premier Division. What a match this promises to be, Lee.
Yeah.
He's in here. Still a chance. In it goes. An early goal. No wonder they're celebrating. 1-0 then. Murphy. Can they create something from here? The keeper completely untroubled. And an astute piece of defending. And he keeps going. Corner given. And firing it into the area. The header, but far too straight to worry the keeper.
Yeah, meat and drink for a goalkeeper of that class.
Oh, big chance. Oh, masterful defending to prevent what looked like a certain goal. Throw-ins given. Burn. Crossing possibilities. It's there for him. And that is offside. Looks promising, this. He's taken on his opponent here. Can he make it count? Well, he analyses it, you know. I think he'll feel he shouldn't have taken on the shot from there.
Well, he definitely shouldn't have done. The angle's all wrong. He's got to look for other options.
Decent progress with the ball at his feet. A foul, but advantage played. Well, that'll be a free kick. Well, he can consider himself admonished, even in the absence of a yellow card. It looks promising. Well, unable to hold his run, and that's offside. Well, news coming through of a penalty. Alan McInally can fill us in.
It's a penalty for Bohemian. A slight delay as the ref clears.
Oh, in with a chance. An opportunity to increase their advantage, squandered, Lee.
Well, yeah, he's missed it, and he's missed it really badly. Look at his teammates, they're not very happy with him.
And good use of advantage, the referee allowing play to continue. Well read to put an end to that attack. Oh, he's through here. Still a chance. He must finish. Oh, it looked as though it should be. Oh, he's found the net. And that increases the advantage to 2. Just what they wanted and just what they deserve.
Well, all the players have bought into the coach's vision of how to win the ball back high up the pitch. Pressing football like this is a joy to watch for me, Derek.
Deserves credit for winning the ball back. On and on he goes. Is it going to be? On his own with only the keeper to beat, and still he's missed it.
Well, he had one thought, power. He should have thought composure.
Connolly. Really getting stuck in defensively.
The hosts have really controlled possession. It's important to have strong, dominant players in your midfield, and they've got that. Just look at what that control gives you.
And a goal! They're running riot here, almost out of sight.
Well, we're going to see the replay. The goalkeeper won't want to see this again. He gives the ball away. Still a bit to do, to be fair. Thought it's his fault.
Blistering first half display, and just look at that score. Perfectly positioned to take it away. Murphy. Oh, he's given us away. Well, that's a really good authoritative tackle. Throw in here. What can he do from here? Really bright-looking attack. And with the goalkeeper. Is it going to end up being productive for them? Deary me, disappointing.
Well, as you know, I'm not a goal scorer, but I think I could have done better than that.
Alert defending. And mistimed the run, sadly. That's offside. And there it is, the half-time whistle. No doubt about it. The two teams have switched around and are ready now for the second half. Russell. And he read it well. Breaking at pace. Real danger. And he clears the danger. Is this the moment? A goal! And I'll tell you what, on this sort of form, very few would lay a glove on them.
Well, don't you just love counter-attack football? Pace, power, coordination. The movement off the ball is absolutely brilliant. And there's a finish to match.
Well, as they restart the game, it's fair to say the gulf in quality between the two sides has been huge. On the offensive. Well, he has the measure of his man. Can he put it in? Oh, there it is! It's one goal after another, and it speaks to the quality of their performance.
Well, here's the replay, and it's a decent move to evade the defender. And then from that sort of range, he's never going to miss that. Easy finish in the end.
Oh, my goodness, it's so one-sided. 5-0 in this match. Read it magnificently and intercepted. And the cross, oh surely! Got to it easily, the keeper. Moving the ball forward with purpose. There to win it back. It might be on for them. Is it going to be? Surely. Well, on the scent of a hat-trick, but not to be.
Well, how many times in a game do you get a chance to get 3 goals? Not very often. He'll be kicking himself there. Well, there's just no cohesion, Derek, in this defence, and they're taking full advantage. They're creating so much from midfield, and the forwards are having a half-decent day as well.
Well, he really read that brilliantly. They're really pressing their opponents. And intercepting it. Excellent challenge. Will he find the net? That is a moment he would dearly love to have back.